Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. I am Swan from The Creator Academy. Here in this video, I'll show you how to create this type of landing page person of a cyber expert or cyber security website of a landing page person. So here you can see this is the one typing text effect and with the header, and this is the menus, and this is the buttons with some hover effect, and this is the image, and this is the columns. This is the landing page person. But here in this video, this is the amazing part is this is the typing effect with the text. That is actually it is made by JavaScript, but I will show you how to create it from Elementor add-ons, any free plugins. So let me show you the plugins to how to install it. So if you search on Elementor, if you can search, you can see this is the Element essential add-ons for Elementor. So this is the main plugin. It has lots of features. You have just install it and nothing, just activate it. Then I will show you the next step. So I'm creating a new page. So just I'm creating the new page with the full stretch layout with the description this title, then publish it. Then this is the edit Elementor and clicking on it. Then you can see this is loading. So I'm just using canvas template, so page will be canvas, and then I'm just updating it, and then I'm just preview the to see the previous changes. Just click on it and then it will be show our previous works. So at first we have to make this type of transparent header. So to create that, first select the structure, then just click on the plus icon, then go to the inner section and place it here, inner section here, and then duplicate the inner section and click on the column, then just write 20%, and then again click on the column again and just write 20%. Then you can see this came. So at first I'm giving the background image, so click on the section, main section, then go to the style tab and the background type. So background type will be the image, so image will be, I'm going to the media library, and then you can see this is the images. So I'm just inserting it, and this is a position will be center, alternate will be scrollable, repeat will be no repeat, and size will be cover. And this is the background overlay, so I'm giving the background overlay. So background type will be overlay will be black type, and you can see this came. So click on the plus icon again, just place the image here as this is the just logo. So I'm just giving the custom URL to this, and then just giving the image here. So this is the images. Just I'm clicking on insert media, then you can see this came. So I'm giving the left, it's not effect but giving the left. Then this is the Elementor Pro features, that is nav menu. So just you have to install must have Elementor Pro. So this is nav menu, I'm just installing it. Then you can see this is came. So I'm giving the alignment center and pointer. I don't want to give the pointer, so I'm giving to the none. Then go to the style tab, and typography will be Poppins normal, and text color will be pure white, and typography will be main uppercase, and the font weight will be 500. That's looking good. So then I'm just giving it to hover section, then text color will be this type of colors. I'm just already copied it again, and I'm just giving pasted it. So you can see if I'm hovering, so it will took the font text color to hover color, and I'm just giving the font weight to 600, so it will look more better because bold look like big. So then click on the plus icon and you have to create the button. So to create the button, place the button from here, and then you can see this is the button. So with hover effect, if I'm hovering, so it will just like dancing. That's it. So I'm just click on this, you can see this is a contact us. So just write on, click on it and write contact us, and then click on the style tab, and you can see this is the features of this button. So text color, at first text color you can see this is the white text color, and then so text color I'm giving to the white, pure white, and the color already I'm picking the color, so just I'm pasting it. And then border radius will be only 5 pixel. Padding, so padding will be top will be 18 pixel and bottom will be 18 pixel, and then right will be 30 pixel, and this is the left, so left will be 30 pixel. That's looking good. I'm giving it to 35, so I'm giving 35. This the left will be also 35, and then you can see this is came. Then we have to just create the hover. So create the hover section. If you're hovering, so it will not affect anything. Just create this is the hover animation, so I'm giving it to the hover effect to Bob. That's if I'm hovering, so it will like dance effect. That's it. So you go to the typography section, and this is the size. So I'm giving to transform at first uppercase, then increase this font weight to 600, then in the size is just nothing. I have no change anything, just update it. Then you can see this came. This is the transparent header. Then you have to make this type of landing page. This is the header part portion. So to create that, first click on the Rubik's cube icon, then just place the inner section here, and then click on the plus icon, and then place the heading here, and just go to the advanced tab, and then padding, and top will be 50 pixel. Sorry, I'm giving it to 100 pixel, and then just you can see this is one fixed text, then this is the text. So to create that, at first I'm copying the text from here. I'm making this text. At first I'm making this text, so just copy it from here and just paste it. So I'm just close this tab again and just copy it from here and go to the paste here. So I'm pasting it, and then go to the style tab, and text color will be pure white, and then typography. So typography will be, I'm giving it to 50 pixel and 600 weight. Transform will be default. That's it. So I don't want to change. And then you have to make the text paragraph section. You can see this is a paragraph section. So I'm just copying the paragraph and then placing the text editor here. Then you can see this is the cane. So just pasting it and go to the style tab. Text color will be pure. This is sorry, just I'm increasing the white color to like that, so it is not increasing. If you face this type of problem, so just go to the content and click on this mouse again, then all select, Ctrl A, press Ctrl A, all select, then click on the A section and then custom. Then you can see this is all changes. So if you want this type of white color section, just okay, you can see this came. So go to the style button. I'm already created a button, so just I'm pasting it from here and then increasing this size, this type of size. So just cut again, and then this is the button. So just I'm changing the text from here, so I'm changing by learn more. That's it. Then you have to create this type of this typing effect. So to create that, at first I'm just writing this text, then I will make this, because we have to make inner section, but we cannot just place the inner section here. If I'm placing inner section, you can see that inner section is blocking here. This is the block size, so we cannot do by in the inner section, between the inner section. So to create that, we have to make the heading. So I'm just duplicating it, then just go to the advanced tab, and the size will be this is the top. So top will be only 10 pixel, and then I'm editing this. So go to the content and writing this text, and then go to the advanced tab, go to the positioning, and the width will be inline. You can see this is the inline. So again go to the Rubik's cube icon, and this is the text typing. To create that, just type fancy, then you can see this is the fancy text by Elementor add-ons. If I'm already showed you that this is the Elementor add-ons, so just click on this and then place it here. So just place it here, then just cut this prefix and cut this suffix, then just write the text. So this is the first string, so that I'm pasting it again, and then this is the second, just paste it again, and then this is the third, I think, so just paste it again. So it's all made, and then you can see this came. So go to the style tab, and this is the text color. So text color will be this type of color, this type of color. So I'm just copying it from here and pasted it. So you can see it's not coming. So this is the prefix style. Go to the fancy text style, and then this is the fancy text style color. So go to the solid color, this color section, then press it. Then you can see this came. So then this is the typing effect color, so just paste it here again. So this is the cursor color. Go to the positioning, and this is the position, the width will be in line, and then this is the advanced tab. So go to the padding section, and then the top will be 100 pixel. So then go to the style tab, typography. So typography will be pure Poppins. I'm just writing, and then this is the size. So size will be 40 pixel, so it will look so small. Just increase the size again. So this is the prefix textile. So go to the fancy textile again, and typography. Here is the typography of fancy text. So here you can increase the size 22 to 40, and then weight will be this type of 600, but I think it's not happening. So I'm increasing the typing speed to 25. You can choose by your choice. This is the typing speed of fade up, fade down, anything. So I'm just copying it from here because it's not happening. So it will just, I'm just showing you how to create that without using any CSS or JS code. That's it. I'm just copying it from here, and then copy it, just paste it from here. So then deleted it. Then you can see this is came. So I'm just go to the profession section and the top. So top will be 100 pixel. That's fine. Then left will be nothing. Sorry, left padding will be left, and then top will be, I'm increasing the top size to this 85 pixel. That's fine. Then click on the plus icon, just place the image from here, and just I'm choosing the image. So this is the image and just inserting it. So you can see this came, and go to the main section again, go to the advanced tab, and then just giving the padding. So top will be 10 pixel padding and bottom will be 100 pixel padding, and giving it to 150. And then this is the site. So just click on the button and go to the advanced tab, and this is the size. So top will be 50 pixel. That will fine. Then update it. Then you can see this is the full page. So this is the landing page portion using Elementor Page Builder. So this is the text and this is the image and this is the type effect. So in this video I'll show you how to this type effect I am showing you, so without any JS code or CSS code. So this is the video, and if you like this video, please comment down and as your topic, if you want that if your topic. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.